How to charge higher prices and increase your margins. Number one is clean up your brand. Make sure your logo, your marketing material, and anything you're putting out to the market looks world class and better than anyone else in your industry. Number two is start speaking, start networking, start to build credibility in front of people and start to put yourself out there. You'll create this established authority, and that's where we need to be to charge higher prices. Step three is walk the talk. Actually do good at whatever it is that you do and walk the talk so people can see you actually doing it. That will build huge credibility and allow you to charge those higher prices because they can see that you can do it. Number four is create consistent content. Create pieces of content and continuously put them out across multiple channels, multiple times a day, and actually just start to raise your profile in your industry as the go-to person for that niche. Step five is create a unique value proposition. This is so you can't be compared like for like with other people. If you can be compared, then there can be a price comparison, and that's not what we want. We want to have something that's totally different, a unique value proposition, so we can charge higher prices, add more value, and increase what the margin is on our service.